Good morning, respected principal ma'am, respected vice principal ma'am, teachers, and all my brothers and sisters. A perfect method for adding drama to life is to wait until the deadline looks large. With these lines, I am Pulkit today from class 6th B. Would like to begin the morning assembly with word of the day, for which I would like to invite my friend Vedant.
Word of the day, procrastination. Synonym, delaying tactics deeply. Antonym, advance hurry. Usage in sentence, she is smart but constant procrastination led her to be late with almost every assignment.
A good thought in the mind is what drives a person towards success. Now, for thought of the day, I would like to invite my friend Laksh.
Thought success is not obtained overnight. It's come in installments. You get little bit tomorrow until the whole package is given out. The day you procrastinate, you lost the day's success.
From time to time, everybody leaves a task lingering on their to-do list for a few hours, or days, or weeks, or for too long. Procrastination is a normal, near-universal phenomenon which makes it all more important to understand why it strikes and what to do about it. Procrastination is not just delaying or avoiding a task, says David Willard, head of American Psychological Association Center for Organizational Excellence. It also has to include an aspect that's unnecessarily irrational or counterproductive. Now, I would invite my friend Vardhan to tell us the meaning of procrastination.
Procrastination means delaying or postponing something that needs to be done, usually because it is unpleasant or dull. By procrastinating, you can damage your performance, harm your reputation, and cause yourself unnecessary anxiety.
How to overcome procrastination is something that everybody thinks for once. Now, I would like to invite my friends Akshar and his partners to tell us how to overcome procrastination.
How to stop procrastinating? First, start small, break large tasks into smaller chunks and piece one that you can do now so that you are underway almost without realizing it. Second, act as you go. Tackle tasks as soon as they arise rather than letting them build up over another day. Third, promise yourself a reward if you complete a difficult task on time. Reward yourself with a treat such as a slice of cake or a coffee from your favorite coffee shop and make sure you notice how good it feels to finish things.
Make a plan, put times and dates on your key task on your list so that you know what to concentrate on and when.
Fifth, finish things when you spot a task that's nearly done. Put extra effort into getting it over the line. Don't be tempted to leave lots of jobs almost finished. Enjoy the satisfaction of taking them off your list. Sixth, ask someone to check up on you. Peer pressure works. This is the principle behind the self-help groups. Seventh, commit to the task, focus on doing, not avoiding. Write down the tasks that you need to complete and specify a time for doing them. This will help you to proactively tackle your tasks. Eighth, deal with distraction. What can you change about your environment to improve your focus? What needs to be put out of reach until this task is done? Ninth, minimize distraction. Turn off your email and social media and avoid sitting anywhere near a television while you work.
10. Person mission statements. Add some extra passion and purpose to your plans and you will be more productive. 11. Cognitive restructuring. Focus on the thoughts and feelings that are making you procrastinate, then reframe them into something much more positive. Life doesn't give you your responsibilities the way you want, so control yourself against temptations and stop procrastinating. Thank you.